You ask, we answer. In our past episode, we tackled syllables with vertical and horizontal vowels. Now, let's clear up one key question that caught our attention. Let's dive in. Okay, first, here are the Korean consonants, the foundation of every syllable. Then, we have the vertical vowels, which have a vertical main stroke. Notice that each one features a vertical line as its main stroke. For example, take the vowel A. You start by writing the vertical line, which is the main stroke, followed by a small additional line. Now you have A. Next, we have the horizontal vowels. As the name suggests, their main stroke is horizontal. Look at each one and you'll see that their primary stroke is a horizontal line. For example, when writing O, start with a horizontal stroke, then add a small line. Now you have O. Now, why does distinction matter? Knowing the difference between vertical and horizontal vowels helps with positioning them next to the consonants. Remember, vertical vowels are placed beside the consonant. Horizontal vowels are placed below the consonant. For instance, let's write the syllable ki or gi. First, we take giok, which represents k or g, and then we add e, which is a vertical vowel, and because it's a vertical vowel, we place it next to giok. Now we have the syllable ki or gi. Now what if we want to write go? Then we start with giok again, and since O is a horizontal vowel, then we place it under the consonant. So we write horizontal line and then O. Now you have go. Now, if a syllable ends in a pachim or a final consonant, we place it under the existing syllable structure. So the final consonant is placed under the existing syllable structure. So for example, if we want the syllable gi to have the sound of gim, then we simply place mium under it. Now we have the syllable gim. We do the same if we want to convert the syllable go to gom. Place mium under it. Now we have the syllable gom. Now, Korean doesn't have a consonant equivalent to W. So, some horizontal and vertical vowels are combined to make the W sound, like these complex vowels, which is read as wa, we, we, and so on. For instance, to write the syllable gue for the name Gwen, for example, then we start with giok again, and then we choose we, this one, which has a sound of we. Now, how do we place it? First, we write u under giok, and then we write the e sound next to it because it's a vertical vowel, and then we put the final consonant sound n under it. So now you have Gwen. Now, Yorobun, it is important to remember that Korean syllables can start with the vowel alone. They need a placeholder consonant called iyong. This one, the circle one. So to write a, you can't just write a like this. Instead, you start with a iyong, which is a silent letter when placed before a vowel, and then you add the vowel next to it. So because o or iyong is a silent letter, when we place a next to it, it's just read as a. Now to write won, which is the Korean currency, first we write iyong because wo is a complex vowel, and then we place u first and then the o sound. Now you have wo. Now place the final consonant n under it. Now you have won. See? It's simple once you get the hang of it. Now Yorobun, ready for a challenge? Try writing these words in Korean Hangul. 안녕하세요, 사랑, 행복, 친구. Drop your answers in the comments. I'll check your answers and give you feedback. Happy learning, Yorobun!